Guys, you know, want smelly gravy pan. Louisiana people, not turn up with enough spice, no urban spice from Louisiana, Popeyes. I think it's original from Louisiana. Right name, down south. Down south people, them know them spice. And look, when we done this, we done eat, me I go pan the slide. And I go pan all of the rides them, so I open up your back my food. I wear my bed, I stuff my face, my belly over full. But me did hungry, I couldn't wait until I go and ride or something before my food. So guys, we're gonna do a mukbang and we have 15 pieces of chicken right here, so McDonald's and about a dozen for me. I'm gonna see how much we can eat.
Yes guys, my aunt and I, we're going to see how much we can eat. Going to see how much we can eat. No, I'll touch it with you. What's this? Yeah.
You want this?
You want this? Or you want this?
Just let me chicken at me chicken.
Bam bam, me I say maximum representing for S&M Jamaica lifestyle, and we are said like, comment and subscribe. Some bam, my mama.
Not tartar. Mustard.
Come back, please.
You want tartar?
Ketchup.
Huh? Maybe it's a light, it's a tower that I put up there as well.
That one like there's something that must fly up and down. Maybe like the go-karts, yeah?
Can I like them something?
That's all.
Honey mustard.
You want honey mustard?
No, so I'm trying. Try it. Nice.
You want that? Honey mustard.
Try ranch too.
The ranch nice. Here's the ranch one.
Now, is it too much chicken or there's something that you don't want to eat too much? Them under the board was 7 story up already.
Guys, see my husband Steve flipping his head over in my bed. Say hi, Steve. Guys, I was so hungry. Yeah, I was so hungry. You know, the only thing I could think of is Popeyes. And I used to Popeyes in Jamaica. I mean, Popeyes is the best here. Popeyes. With the Popeye, you get it seasoned, well seasoned, and well fried. If in America, the best one is from me, Popeyes. By the Kentucky, never enjoy. Sorry, never enjoy. But the Popeyes, when you can't eat it right down to the bone. I just to worry about my teeth, so it have a crack when I eat all the bone.
You can't see that?
Mm.
Oh, I'm girl in the
They're really nice.
I'm girl coming.
All the biscuit. I don't like the biscuit, but I'm not going to eat the biscuit. But the people eat them. Nice.
Somebody say it tastes good with honey. But I need to. Don't make it taste good.
Oh, see? I'm here say it tastes good with onion. I really have a try it still. My chicken, I not waste my belly space with the rolls. My belly space after the chicken and my mashed potato. And you know, I left a little space to the wash down.
It's like, so this is America home. And the Jamaican food in some ways not that all the same. Anytime I come over here, I'm more
Because I'm hungry.
Jamaican. It's like Popeyes.
It's like a pig.
That don't taste good. Everybody come over
Just a
here
stuff
and
in the place.
you say don't taste good. How it tastes like? How it tastes like? I mean, you know, season, you know, them boil the chicken and then chill like fine.
So guys, I'm done. Made 5 pieces of chicken. 5 pieces of chicken, the one just whap down. Whoop, whoop. And you're hungry, you know? But my husband can't feed me. Then better and close me. When I drink this, I suck up the soda, like the soda. If I get a tingling feeling in your throat, you have to let it go and start again. Guys, I'm showing you the damage. So I only have 1 wing and 1/2 a chicken left. Still have them biscuits. Oh, do the damage. 16 pieces of chicken. So I damage it up. So yes, this is the place. Hi guys. So we just eat and we're barely full. We are going to check out over the Nickelodeon side. But we just show you a little glimpse around the place. It's beautiful here. And guys, like up the video. Hey, I'm the gang. Hi guys.
Hey, Pops, welcome aboard. I'm hopping away. If you're carrying anything,
I'm afraid and I'm afraid. I already look but I'm a bit afraid.
team members will be patrolling to give you a hand if you need it. Before we take off, be sure to buckle up. Remember to keep your
The way this place nice, me feel like a kid again. Look, check it out. It's mostly kiddie stuff here. And this is at the kiddie section.
So I will try and send to them down back. Until they say, up to the come like that, and they go up and close
Guys, so I'm going to show you it's that roller coaster up there. I don't know what to call it. It's that thing going up and down and catch you and it fling you up and carry you down. And I tell you, me and Steve ball for mother. Nah, do it again. Let me try zoom it in a little and show no. Me now go back up this one. No, not even for love nor money. You see how it have you fling you up and down, and it's worse when you're up there. No kidding, it's worse when you're up there. Me zoom it in, see? I said catch and it fling your left, right, up and down.
You guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready. We're ready for go moving at the kiddie. At the kiddie swing song, me call it, you know. You like in Aladdin. You look on the color them. Trust me, this one is a whole lot smoother. And me feel more comfortable in the one, yeah? Because the one we catch me and fling me up and down, me now go back in that. The one I can't go on, can't have fun in the one. Yeah?